Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the Headlight Reminder feature in the Waze app on your phone. This is a useful safety alert that reminds you to turn on your headlights when needed, especially during nighttime or low visibility conditions. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu, tap on the Settings option. Then, scroll down and select Alerts and Reports. This section allows you to control how and where you receive notifications about traffic events and road conditions. Finally, scroll through the list and find the option labeled Headlight Reminder. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once activated, Waze will automatically alert you when it's time to switch on your headlights, based on conditions such as time of day and location. And that's it. You've now enabled the headlight reminder in Waze, helping you drive more safely. Don't forget to check out our other Waze tutorials for more helpful tips.